Meaning of Equatorial Guinean.
Equatorial Guinean.
Equatorial Guinean.
Equatorial Guinean.
Equatorial Guinean. Equatorial Guinean refers to a person or thing that comes from or is related to the country of Equatorial Guinea. Equatorial Guinea is a small country located in Central Africa, bordered by Cameroon to the north and Gabon to the south and east. The official languages are Spanish, French and Portuguese, and the country's economy is heavily dependent on oil exports. The population is relatively small at approximately 1.3 million people, and the country has a complex history of colonization and political strife.